Today we are going to complete this beautiful calligraphy art piece step by step. Before starting the background, try to decide on 3 colors that will work well together. For this artwork, I have chosen turquoise, ultramarine blue and brown colors. Start by applying these colors directly onto the canvas. You don't need to mix them on a palette first. You can place them straight on the surface. Once the colors are on the canvas, take a brush and begin spreading them gently. One very important point to keep in mind is that the brush should only spread one color at a time. Try not to mix the colors too early. For example, first spread the turquoise color evenly across its area, then spread the blue color across the canvas, but be careful not to disturb the turquoise area too much. Spread the brown color in the remaining area of the canvas. Next, we will create some texture on the background. Take a piece of plastic wrapper or cling wrap and place it over the canvas. Press it lightly with your fingers so that it touches different parts of the paint. Using your fingers, gently shape the cling wrap to form interesting patterns and textures. This technique gives a beautiful abstract effect to the background. After pressing it for a few moments, slowly lift the cling wrap from the canvas. You can also fold the cling wrap slightly and tap it on the surface. This helps create additional texture and depth in the background. Like this. The blending should look smooth so it becomes difficult to notice where one color ends and the next one begins. Once the background is complete, we will leave it to dry for about 2 hours. Now we will start calligraphy. Take 2 charcoal pencils and tie them together using a rubber band or a masking tape. Now begin writing the word Muhammad on the canvas. You can follow any calligraphy style that you like or feel comfortable with. If you have a reference, you can also copy that style. Draw the letters slowly and confidently with the charcoal pencils. After finishing the charcoal sketch, take a marker and carefully trace over the same lines. Move very slowly and follow the charcoal marks. Finally, we will add harakat and decorative marks called tashkilat. Tashkilat are placed around the calligraphy to add beauty and balance to the calligraphy. And with that, our calligraphy painting is complete. I hope you enjoyed this process and learned some useful techniques to create beautiful abstract calligraphy backgrounds.